Hawkins here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. Today's not really a farming video. It's a side hustle slash reselling video. I'm going to check out a new place to pick up some pallets I heard about. It's Northern Kentucky Liquidations. Hopefully it's going to be a pretty good place. Heard some good things about it. I've seen some good things about it coming down there. Not really sure of the price points on the pallets or how everything works. It's one of those buy there, not an auction kind of thing. Most of the ones I've bought so far have been like online auctions and stuff. So it's gonna be a little bit different. They got a truck coming in at 8 o'clock this morning, and you can literally buy them as they're coming off the trucks, or they have a big warehouse there. And this is all the things I've been told about it. So we're gonna go there, we're gonna check it out, see how things run. Don't know if they're gonna let me record while I'm there, but I got a lot of friends that do this kind of stuff, and they were asking questions about it, so hopefully they'll let me do some recording or something like that there. That way I can put this out, because I mean I looked on YouTube looking for, you know, any information about this and couldn't find any. So I figured I'd make this video, so if anybody else has heard about them or wants to know how this place works and how the process goes. It's always the, you know, nervous part about, I guess, doing anything like that for the first time, is like, okay, how's it really gonna be? What's the place like? All those kind of questions, and hopefully we can answer, or I can answer some of those questions by going there firsthand and checking it out. Because I ain't gonna lie, I'm a little nervous because I don't know how it is or how it's gonna be or anything like that. There's a Facebook group for the place, and it seems like most of the businesses ran through the Facebook group. So I'll put a link to that below. And yeah, we'll go there and see what we can find and check it out, and maybe get a good pallet, see what kind of truck came in the day, and see what the prices are. Like I said, I don't know what the price ranges are, but let's hit the road, because I got about an hour and a half to get there. And right now it looks like I'm not gonna get there until about 8:15, and they said the truck's supposed to be there at 8, so let's see what that means even. All right, we'll be back in an hour and a half, I guess. Alright, so I made it to the place, and looks like I'm a little bit early for the truck. It's supposed to be here at 8, and it's about 8:25, so almost 8:30. There are a few people here though already, so that's a good sign, I guess. Looks like 1, 2, 3, about 4 or 5 people around back of the warehouse. So yeah, he said I talked to one guy, and he did say they unload the truck, he prices them out, and then you go from there. So I said I'm gonna get out here, maybe mingle a little bit and see what we can learn. All right, this is just inside the warehouse. Just got a few shots of give you an idea of what the place looks like. There was a massive amount of inventory, a lot of really good deals. I mean, a lot of these pallets are, as you can see, pretty tall, and yeah, packed with some good stuff in them, it looks like. The price range is that I saw was anywhere from $200 to $1,200, and the $1,200 ones you could definitely see why they were $1,200. But I just took a little walk around, and this is only part of it. This is another section of the warehouse, and they weren't organizing really in much of a way, but as you see, it's a good sized space with a lot of different stuff. Alright, well, I just left the place, or I'm leaving the place. I ended up getting 2 pallets. He did me a real good deal, I guess, especially being, you know, first time coming and stuff. So I'm excited to get home and see what's in these things. It's gonna be very interesting. Hopefully I got some good stuff that I've been wanting, or needing, I guess I should say, for a project. So we'll see how it works out. Alright, well, just got home from Northern Kentucky Liquidations, and you can see right there I did come home with 2 big old pallets. Total spent was $477. That was with tax and everything. Then of course, you know, you got to factor my gas, so you can look at right around $500 for both these pallets. So we can average them out to $250 a piece, and I think they're going to be pretty good ones. You can only look at what's right there visible. So with both these being in wraparounds, at least that's what I call them, can only see what was on top. So like I said, I think I chose pretty wisely. Met the owner, very nice guy. The setup was really nice. He did get a truck in the day, so when he got the truck, you know, he unloaded it, he went through and priced it all, then he let you go. You basically got first dibs on that. So that was kind of cool. And then plus there was a whole warehouse full of pallets. I ended up choosing 2 pallets from inside the warehouse. So yep, overall very good experience. Definitely will be going again. And if you want to see what's in these pallets, make sure you like and subscribe and hit the bell, so when I do the video and post it of unboxing these, you get a chance to check it out. Alright, have a good one, and we'll see you in a bit.